Hello everyone, this is Lex and today we are going to be learning how to do gel polish at home using Modelones Gel Nail Polish Starter Kit. Please review the step-by-step instructions. All items shown in the video will be included in your kit. Please make sure to wash your hands before starting. With the nail clipper, cut your nail to the desired length. Using the metal cuticle pusher, gently push back the cuticle from the natural nail, making sure that the pusher is flat against the nail. If you have extra cuticle, gently remove it with a cuticle trimmer. Make sure you are very careful during this process. Using the double-sided nail buffer, gently remove the shine from the natural nail plate. Brush off any dust and with an alcohol pad, remove any oils from the natural nail. Finally, attach your nail separator and you are ready for gel polish application. The USB LED powered lamp is perfect for use at home, in office, or when traveling. First, you want to start off by applying a very thin coat of base gel, making sure you cap the free edge. You want to cure the gel polish for 60 seconds under the mini lamp. With the gel polish of your choice from the 6 gel polishes included in your kit, apply a thin coat of polish from cuticle to free edge and cure for 60 seconds. Repeat this process until you achieve your desired opacity. Don't forget to cap your free edge. With the UV top coat provided, apply a thin coat, sealing in your design with a high gloss. To complete your gorgeous manicure, you want to apply cuticle oil to rehydrate your nails. And here is our finished manicure. To purchase your own kit, please make sure to follow Modelones' official page in the description below. To properly remove gel polish, start filing off the gel top coat with a 100/180 file. With a nail remover wearable pads, soak off your gel polish for 10 minutes, making sure to take off the clear adhesive to properly secure the pad to your nail. Next, using the metal cuticle pusher, gently push back the gel polish, exposing the natural nail. You don't want to force the gel polish off. If you still have gel polish on your nail, just remove the dust and reapply the removal pad. You want to repeat this process until the polish is completely off of your nail. Next, using the 100/180 file, gently file the surface of the nail. Using the alcohol pad, remove any dust from the natural nail. Finally, add cuticle oil to your natural nails to rehydrate your cuticles. And that is how to properly remove gel polish at home. Please check out Modelones' official page below to purchase your starter kit today.